This isn't just the next RAV4, it's the future rebuilt, recharged, and unstoppable. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is a masterpiece of innovation that blends power, efficiency, and modern design into one bold SUV. From the first look, it demands attention with its aggressive stance, sharp LED headlights, and blue Toyota hybrid emblem that signals a new era of clean energy driving. Every angle is sculpted for performance and style, making it not just a car, but a statement of technology and precision engineering. We begin the detailing process by washing the RAV4 with a ceramic-safe solution that protects the paint while removing dirt and grime. The Lunar Silver Metallic color instantly comes alive underwater as foam slides down, revealing deep reflections and metallic sparkle. A graphene coating is then applied to give the surface unmatched shine and protection against heat, UV rays, and rain. It's not just clean, it's future-ready. Moving to the wheels, the 19-inch hybrid alloy rims get a full decontamination with iron remover to melt away brake dust. Each spoke is brushed with care and finished with tire gel to restore that factory-fresh satin look. Every rotation of the wheel reflects perfection, showing how precision detailing brings life back to performance design. Inside, the RAV4 Hybrid welcomes you with eco-leather seats, soft touch panels, and a 12.9-inch infotainment display that feels like stepping into tomorrow. The detailing here is all about patience and perfection. Microfiber cloths and pH-neutral interior cleaners are used to remove every speck of dust from vents, buttons, and screens. The steering wheel shines softly, while the dashboard returns to its matte, factory tone. The air feels crisp, the surfaces smooth and spotless, exactly as Toyota intended. Under the hood lies Toyota's fifth-generation hybrid Synergy drive, a combination of a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine and dual electric motors, delivering 228 horsepower, with an impressive 45 miles per gallon combined. The engine bay is detailed using a waterless cleaner to keep sensitive electronics safe. Every cable, cover, and hybrid component looks brand new because attention to detail is what separates good from great. As we step back, the RAV4 Hybrid reflects the sunset like glass, every line and contour glowing with pride. This is more than detailing. It's the art of respect for engineering, design, and the pursuit of excellence. Each drop of water, each microfiber swipe, is a salute to progress and craftsmanship. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid isn't just built for the road, it's built for the future. The result is perfection from every angle. Powerful, efficient, and stunningly detailed. It represents the vision of tomorrow's automotive world, where sustainability meets performance in flawless harmony. If you're passionate about cars that define the future, subscribe to Wheels of Tomorrow for more cinematic detailing, auto innovation, and next-generation reviews. Join us every daily as we bring the world's most advanced vehicles to life, because the future of driving starts here with Wheels of Tomorrow.